Hi everyone, I am here in Odisha at Paradip Port. Here we are at Jindal Paradip Port in Odisha, and I am at a height of 118 feet on top of this crane, which I want to show you. So I'm really excited to be here, and I can see that we are on this top, and you can see the water down, and you can see these cranes over here. It's very exciting. So I wanted to share this excitement with you. And just now, this is our team that has been building this port and has been working hard. You can see all these big ships all around over here. All these big ships, and it's quite. It sometimes feels a bit scary, to be at these heights, but it's quite a lot of fun also. So you can see all these. At the port, at the Paradip Port, which is one of the biggest port in India. And this, what you see, is the new port that has been developed by Jindal Paradip Port. And you can see there are these 3 cranes. So this is the crane, and on a similar crane like this, we are standing here. I am standing here on this crane here, reporting to you and explaining to you all this and showing you what we are going through. And this port will be able to handle multiple products, and you can see over here, these are silos where coal will be stored. Here with coal will be stored, coal, iron ore, steel will be exported from here. So this port will be able to do about 30 million tons of cargo every year. 30 million tons of cargo, and which will help improve our GDP, which will help India become a developed country, and which will help the economic activity in a very big way. So here's wish you all a very happy new year, and from these heights, and I'm sure India will go to greater heights. Thank you very much for being with me and joining me on this. Thank you. Now we have to take a lift. There's a lift which goes up to 118 feet. So you can see it's very high, and we are on top of this crane. I want to show you once again. We are on top of this crane over here, and I'm on this boom. So I'll show you on this crane. So I'm like standing.